As a new student to the college, we know it could be overwhelming if you don't know what major you want to choose. And so the college has organized 6 specific paths for students to choose. For example, health sciences. You may not know if you want to be a nurse, you want to be a dentist, but you can start taking classes in that area of focus and then decide later on. So it's an easy way for you to onboard to the institution. We know that when students select a major early on in their career, or they have an idea of what they want to do, they have much better success ultimately. And so this is our way of trying to help you decide and choose a path so you can get on that path early on, so you're not spending time taking classes that you don't need or may not count towards your degree. Not only do we want you to enroll, but we want to support you to the finish line. And so Guided Pathways is a way to help you choose your path early on in your program. So the first semester, you're choosing your path. We're going to help you stay on your path and then ultimately help you to reach the career goal of your choice.